ambele enta
Zvigopfara.
ito enta ungange Mike hey come on
No all reaction akukata. Sorry the variko you like utiva u silent.
Uteva u silent achirwezi chitu.
Achi asongo reaction. Asongwamba action katoita cut space.
Achacho kwata.
China mbiti we. Chama vafupi vakwatesa we.
Hi guys.
Mbiti zone.
Hi guys, welcome to the Diaries. Echi chimaki chawo chikongwana ti?
Check
Sure.
1 2 1 2. Bo na ichi chikofara. Great.
So guys, what for madzwa? Ngaifi minyabe. Obsolete culture. Skipa chinango chirira neona chiwani.
Na right bad.
Yofuna fala
Chikofare.
kamera nofunga.
Right bad.
Why nankurunya guys that crop top?
No, it's cute.
And finish a biggie.
I do, funny enough, but yeah, right.
Okay.
Guys.
So yeah, anyways guys, welcome to the Diaries. Yeah, and
Archambra episode mini because it's just like
last time no zwipa. Last time in the end this week.
Yeah,
so you're living in the future.
You can see what I'm saying. At least you're Mudau, so it's
so we're coming at you live from Lens Up Studios.
Again.
Hey Billy, number phone Zirmin. Hey. Oh, Zinorkoto Rindera. I to change your number phone for no.
Why you just look change you?
One phone inji.
Vachimrana zve sim card. Ngalo sim card za data.
Nina nomboro 3.
No,
so ndinaza personal ati. Okay, jambori vadori padzone mara vawane na 39 gwigwi mribi. No guma vachikadiwana na figure.
Do wamba popetu ufimini.
Gwigwi mribi.
Nena ndikobero zviyamba ndichikusopfi ndikwa guy.
Ngani?
Nga Uber driver. Wakumbutsa unoenda kuona ufimini. Nena ndikobero.
Right emekon yeah.
Ndikubona una hoyi ndikurere safe ithi namze.
Are safe.
Yeah, vakosemeza bo mem. Sorry.
Producer ukadhivenelela last week. The female producer in town.
Nobody did mention you. Chivarisunyedza.
So yes man, are you good?
Oh, I'm okay. I'm just exhausted, but I'm okay.
How is he shooting at night?
I think because studio, I feel like the studio also nangani. Yeah, Robia studio chapkuma, guys. You know, so. No, also I love you because ndia gogo there. Angeni vandodzwa ndito andikudota kwa zvezvi. Ndonga nikudota kwa zvezvi, you know. It's like usoko ivano imapa.
Kafile fomo ngotawanya pire.
Kafile fomo. Kafile.
Guys, it goes with mara. So, yeah man. Even yakona man.
I was just saying I feel like
but vashavanga zvezvi.
Ndika Yo, bro, you are so bad.
Ndi inozvemba.
Hi, my.
Brenda's got like.
Sorry, how am I? And I'm like, am I the only person I know uka? Yeah, and fatiguing much now. I feel exhausted. I don't know if you guys still have energy. Then don't know at December, guys. I'm just.
Ufes yeah and fatigue even to finessa maharwa. Iyapera nga weekend.
Iyapera. No. Gumna mndo nombona ndobo. Ndibando edera this weekend.
Even midweek actually.
When?
No one over Greg.
Monday. That was not going out, guys. We went out to eat. Don't want to tea. I was having
not going
tea.
Out. Going out must going to beer.
No, go to Vambaga beer. No,
just asking. Actually, go to. I remember Brenda's to line another thing.
You've been repeating the bread thing.
So not over guy. It is too bad.
I'm trying to know what this story.
What? I don't know this story.
Anyways. asi mabunga mahalwa rotoneta mara doesn't it feel like ani pfunga nonoitesa zvithu zvinji bva chimwe watoma
I posted it also this other time because I could relate to it. I don't know so kupfa ndoneta
you know
like
and
anything ndatoatenda kuklasi kuti pedzi ndiva ndoneta
exactly
ndava ndikotoedhera ndichivoedhera ndikotoyola ndichipedzola ndiedhere ndidovara hamisi machero zvaripita kamusiwo ma3 weeks zvaso
so at least ukoneta navo vavanhu nane ndakudomborera tumbo karine so if you guys are tired as well then we're just tired as a nation
so it's fine roteroneta unjava toneta so
ironeta
anyways rikomba ngachikipa chobsolete also ti ofini oh Mikey sorry ndachiko rikamba ngapfinga ngaskipa zobsolete was this guy the G wala wa makhuwa akore hey ndikoti niwanena skipa fona we
zvami
una skipa za makhuwa
really
blind bus so ndikotohamba ri asadisa
na shango live liko
shango live theory ya
vhathu vapromisa zvithu
zvakuma
nomudzana ndikuzvimbura zvino weyandhena ri nga birthday ile festos ya November atingomuumbera atingwamba naye timudhivi na dzina she walked up to me she's like oh no I saw you lost your fish I want to buy you a plant I'm going to bring you a pot plant in the morning ubva November ndoindira in the morning and atimudhividzina ari udondiyema and then she did send me a DM though utonga zvemurova acho aukambiwa nyana because like since then hatodovambori ukodhisa rina I was just like you know what but nicho promisa zvithu zvingonumbera like zvino mahoyu mahuwa adhise zvikipa zvazviro
mahuwa vari kustoda ndovona zvikuprintwa murova
preferably in black
zvitwanga white pedzi
oh damn so mahuwa yave yomwari wangami
nori mahuwa angasive black
hai mara rechi white obviously mahuwa aingomwari wanga white yomwari wanga minga black
nah you want white but haven't you seen the thing the album art
chikipa chi white chongolonga white
no haven't you seen the t-shirts ndinto the nature ni zvavudi blind mamuna
chi white chongolonga
no nazvonaka donaka zvichisvika karina hey hanodo
you are such a bully wait achi white
here's the t-shirt
oh this is beautiful oh this is nice I want this
yeah
adisa zviviri kaneti
tadzondiyeyo ronoisa dzintu ti
no ukutoita double size
jamborika ukotoyoba oivona episode
ukutoitoivona wazangaivona arazangaivona ari ngambari
utobona bita kuprinta
supportana haprint to print it
atobona kuti cause wakotofa either way ndakuri ubona kanti ka Apple podcast actually guys you should also stream on Apple podcast if ngopfanga roni netisa na mini camera quality I dadzi
apart from camera quality I really do feel like podcasting is like personally atidzuri ndabona make G I don't know about you I don't sit down and watch it's always when I'm doing something kana ndiko cleaner kana ndiko itani that's when I'm like listening that's when it's fun when I'm doing something
I feel like it's more fun ndiko bona because I'm trying to see the reactions that you guys have ingozwa ndichamba zvantu so that the brains aren't aligning the reaction because now people are wondering like ukosiwa mini so
yeah I get it
so when ukoribona ka Apple podcast nchipedza niye bona na ka YouTube food
plus you do make a lot of funny faces so
no you do
no I don't
actually we are the best podcast in Venda and it has been proven
so provoke
Ndivhuwo Rambau dude
yes
what
ndobona no post ela nto Facebook nikore Ndivhuwo ndosikuona no Ndivhuwo ori mention and then Facebook followers zagonya but I didn't see or mean what did she do
that get nothing she ongono mean I never miss an episode yeah about
really
yeah
big ups that's
like,
that's
that girl is huge,
that's good
bro,
and she's big on TikTok
because the thing is ndikerikeni nga Sunday this other girl ndabona na Ndivhuwo ni post on Facebook
ndibona yeye
post on tukulwane
yeah
zawukuma
and then I am uhulwane so it's
so remember last week no for now yeah actually everything happened in the span of like 3 days or 4 maximum because Ro celebrated her 500 followers
yeah
and then she shared on Friday
Ro celebrated 500
now we're on like 1,000 plus
that's
followers.
Nice man that's nice
so yeah
and you don't expect that ngamanzi saka Facebook because I feel like lately Facebook grows slower
yeah
compared to
the Instagrams and
yes.
all these things and the fact that she shared grower Facebook and then also a bit of Instagram
yeah
but then also the subscribers they skyrocketed for some reason I'm like what what
how
rodzaka man
rodzaka
8.23
Wow.
In ending, I divide a rap podcast with the because whatever monetize you. Monetize you. Hey guys, joke imagine if it's your podcast. So like, and then also this other girl commented, oh, but then they also spoke about you kind of mini way. Other reply, we move forward, whatever mini kind of way. She's like, I'm like, come on, man.
Exactly, but that's how
you are this big, dude.
That's how it's supposed to be.
Yeah, like
you get what I'm saying? And we are not here to break anyone, but we are gonna conversate and we're gonna give opinions. And already not whatever, there's nothing we can do. So I don't know what then because we really don't care.
Exactly. And there's no move or
you get what I'm saying? Very Hashem. Thank you so much.
Yeah, like I'm so glad she did that. So I'm so grateful. Like, hey, push a platform.
Imagine what her episode could do.
I wanted to, and then actually I sent an email last night. I just want to call you, give you some appreciation for what you did, and then also for a potential interview. I mean. So hopefully she'll come through. Yeah.
That was last night, right?
Yeah, last night.
Okay, let's be patient.
Yeah, I don't go jaya, guys.
Hey,
yeah, she's very big. No,
oh, really?
Yeah, she was with Ufinyula wa mtu wa wheelchair. Ufinyula wheelchair. Not Roneo. Roneo na wheelchair nemuno. Ola ndi ufumakazi wa mtu wa wheelchair.
Oh.
Wala ni songa champan lanu.
Hey,
TikTok. Yeah, that girl. That's she was also there. And then also what's this guy?
Who?
No Chill.
Oh, no Chill.
Yeah, we're supposed to shoot Midnight Time.
Ndivhuwo?
Yeah, Ndivhuwo Manero.
Yes.
Yeah, we're also supposed to
Doesn't that guy look like McG?
Does he? Now that you say it, I'm gonna have
look
to
at him. Like the way he's shot and everything. They do look alike. Oh, so yeah, that would be a nice episode. He's funny too. So.
We need all these guys, like guys. And then speaking of guest episodes, I'm thinking of the way it was vendor as well shooter multiple and then Stomo drop because now it's being actually called one because we wanna decide to change. Yeah. There's no time for like so
this would be the perfect guest. How the way in a perfect time you're in the shoot our guest. Then.
Nah, all I need to do is coffee.
I'm saying to them that. Then why
accessibility na mine rinero wana ola nrote raso tachimwe chimwe una mafungo manji na mine ngaola
ana ko muvenga
ninga kadimu ya live naye
na fisto serwera
fisto serwa chinya kujenitswa ke zvitu
just live
zvawa satangana watu so guys anyways thanks to Ndivhuwo Rambau for that. Shout out to you. And then did you see the thing Millicent Makhado?
Who's that?
Agnes Wambango.
Oh, you don't mean?
Let me read you that thing. So this is what she posted, right?
Okay.
I know you guys were praying for me to have more kids in caps. I don't know why.
Yeah.
Some even thought I will have twins, but God refused. Unfortunately, a beautiful baby boy was conceived behind my marriage back, turning 1 in April. Wow. Wait, what if it's April Fool's? Not that because you are Marati udori budzangazi 1st April or it's April Fools.
Oh, adzitosvika. Neno hangwa.
Mara it could be April Fools also.
Or udova kuconceive nga April not nga April ngadzi 1.
I think no damn nendo varazwa wrong. The baby is turning 1 in April. Wow. I found out yesterday. God bless them. Mara ichaba yesterday. She probably found out 4 days ago.
That's and now that you're saying it like that, it's just crazy what you men are doing, eh?
What us men are doing?
Yeah.
Why?
Oh, I'm going to tell you one that. Yeah. She has one.
She has a baby.
She wanted another one.
I thought she doesn't have any.
Namsi, it doesn't matter, but still, how do you comfortably
I feel like
cheat?
Well, for
With
issues,
no
when
protection.
you can't have it
When
all.
you can't have it all, it's okay. But
I feel like
no. It's okay. Ndikuri. Like a lot of things happen with women fertility, right?
Yeah.
It happens a lot. Like now they are trying for another one now. So you know,
I'd be so glad
because now you're like,
can have one.
now you're like, I have a firstborn. My second born and my third born. Yo, bro, it's just crazy. Like now, there's another one that's trending. I don't know if you know Nosy, but she's from Mommy Club.
Oh yeah.
Yes, that story. Number 8. The husband. No,
half of them is hers.
yeah, but it doesn't matter because they became a blended family and everything was going well. The kids love her, so we can't really.
What's happening there? Can you please break down the story?
He's marrying another woman. Like he's a changed man now. Cause
what do you mean changed man?
Like he's not a father figure anymore to the kids. Kids are crying, kids are depressed. Again, la video, the boys are begging him to stay. Why are you doing this? Like, what's happening to you? Like, and yo, bro, it's such a sad video. And give me the car keys, I want to leave. Why are you holding me hostage in my own house? Like, I feel like when you guys don't love us anymore, that respect it over, like it over, and then you just start saying the worst things. Like that man doesn't care. Do you know it? So that's how bad it is. Like they could have just ignored it, but this is not our mom. Mara, meaning they saw how bad the situation was. So I don't understand even the woman that's marrying him. What makes you think he's gonna be a better man for you? Mara, mom took Twitter uri. That's the sad thing about life. He might actually be a better man for her.
And then also
that's the thing. Let's move from Nigeria.
T say he was cheating on Nozipo with her.
Yeah.
Now Nozipo Amricha is gonna date her. Now Achita na Nozipo on that other one. So
yeah, like just how Mbali left Black Coffee for cheating just to go be a side chick.
She's a side chick.
No, there was that story where or exposed the other guy or Achikoba side chick.
I didn't know.
Or I got Achikotenda know she's gonna be in like East Tembu. So I'm like,
I'm only realizing it now.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we can do it while we're speaking though. So I continue.
It sounds wrong, eh? I don't like your tone. I don't like your tone. I don't like how you speak. Your choice of words.
Choice of delivery.
Yo, but yeah, I was still saying, like, guys, you men are doing the most. Men are doing the most. Are you watching the thingy where he's talking about status? When last did you watch the McG podcast? When last did you watch the podcast? Nicho focus akachiponchi.
That's mama ekimamna uri side portion ko. Abedi ngasiba ise.
Ndofunga.
Unatonira ngepause oti.
Ndizima paka.
Yeah, so McG Dr. Murugumibona ndiyabona if nikwamba za yeah, finodzima kesho. Niyazvikone zvistu. Marati iko dipara pano at least yani pick up nyana. And then it is rabut. Chitobiwa. Chiponji chobadiri chitoba chione na camera. Na podcast ngi this na sponge. Funga.
El dogale papa.
Yeah.
Yeah, that.
I don't know. I'm so happy. Like,
Robiayan. Feels like home. Na Zurubanyana there in the middle.
I'm seeing what liti. Ni umbole nto.
Twitter shishero na coffee.
Awuna coffee pano. Abero ngasto for structure.
You do want coffee zedzi. I mean, it feels like home already. Or is it like a cup of tea or something?
So, I was still saying, oh, Naka didn't make G, the cheating wife, what?
Yeah,
oh, the one who sent a thing. Yeah, I think they
won. Like, they were married and then the wife cheated and then she got pregnant. So I'm just saying it's happening, you know.
Everywhere.
We can't just put the blame on a man, although you guys are worse, but...
Would you, if your man cheats on you and then bring the kid home, would you raise the baby as yours?
Me over going one.
Wow, no matter what you decide on the so I'm gonna take the kid from the mom.
Hey, I don't know, man. It depends. After that, am I gonna stay? I don't know if I'm gonna stay.
Oh, actually, I should have asked that first. Would you stay?
Kakati.
Songwara.
Ikulenyana. Ayokule.
I can't ikule. Rono's tester.
Oh, really? Okay.
I don't know. Mara for now.
Copyright
what
copyright. They are copyright YouTube.
Aruna kasha yeah.
Anyways, so, I don't know if I would stay, man. I don't know. Really. I don't want to lie.
Okay.
Up until it happens, I guess.
Yeah, that's the thing.
God forbid.
Nah, just pray it never happens to you.
Oh, bro.
And then the balcony mix, did you see the thing? Yeah, Zuleki.
I didn't watch it.
Hey, there's a lot of, cause I wrote a prep.
No, never too complain. Exactly. It was the first time and it's the worst.
Cause the thing is, it was all good things, I mean, until like a day after. Then Atomo Vasu took her Twitter. News 24 is reporting about balcony mix. I'm like, damn.
How?
This is actually serious.
What have you done?
Firstly, the guys were fighting in front of everyone. The
what
twins.
Guys? The twins?
I don't know what they were fighting about. That's what's on Twitter, though.
You lie.
For real.
And then?
Okay, I'm not for real. That's what someone said on Twitter.
Saw. Yeah. Yes, you read, And then? How you
And then another thing. Oh, there was this other thing already. The DJ, the South Africa. They act all bitchy. What you want a black coffee? Because he popped up, and then everyone was just like, "Oh, Beyonce."
Yeah.
so.
Yeah.
So I'm like,
somebody. Munda wano obi abatukana makwani. Venda.
Obi arine. Shamba.
Uzibeyo. Magaraba kuma.
Ndi garaba la sera.
Ono rengera. Uzi magaraba ro inima uskomonda monda nge.
And then also too, VIP. Like, let me just read this other tweet and I won. Balcony mix Nelima Sipa fella. Disorganized, the twins were fighting in front of us. Oskambo messed up the lineup. Momo played 30 minutes and Jala Tuxin played one song. Is it possible to play one song? Mara like, haha, ninga deserve about 30 minutes. They don't respect Jala Tuxin.
Unless already over Ojena ngachimwe chine akotiwa jena ngacho and una artist yindira Ojena achito jena chito bezorizi achiko diriza habo kofi but azishpinga chana but una dzimwe artists they can't take that.
Speaking of that, Black Coffee wasn't in the lineup and wasn't supposed to be part of it, but then just because it's Beyonce
are you sure was a surprise artist?
What was a surprise? I don't think so. Don't pop up.
No, like,
he's here to support the boys, bro.
Oh.
Like,
and then
I was like, dude, hey,
I think I saw a clip here about or
the Mitandas also.
Yes,
okay.
in another way.
Then I'm going to the piano. And then
but he didn't play it Mitandas. So if you heard what he did.
I haven't seen any video of him playing any other song besides Mitandas. So there's no trend and the Mitandas. That's one thing I realized.
Yeah, meaning and I don't know I don't know Jenna said the imitandas of that everybody else plays. Or Jenna Oita, whatever he did. He made it Afro-Techish or whatever he plays.
Mara, like why? Why would you do that? Just because it's Black Coffee, you wanna lick his ass and then now you're gonna like mess up the whole lineup.
Let's put it like this.
I would.
Exactly.
I know your question.
Yeah.
I would though, Mara.
Yeah, I would too. So I'm gonna blame the boys.
Why not cut Oskambo? Oskambo with that time. On a balcony mix in beat is all. It's not there even on YouTube. And why would Jala Tuxin play 30 minutes? I don't know what this guy said. Marofi Oskambo messed up the lineup. So I wonder what he did.
I was here no organizer something. I don't know.
And then apparently also Rosebank T, is the suburbs. So Rosebank is in a zoo lake. So those guys were complaining each and every hour. Put that and I get the volume careful with the way. I'm like, wrong choice, man, of location.
Yeah.
Because none of no Arabs of how it's into. That Bluetooth speaker. So imagine a whole setup.
Oh, which they should have known, right?
Right? They do. They actually did know.
Okay, yeah, we're not really friends. Ori. This was her first experience and it was the worst. And probably it's definitely her last.
Yeah.
And then she was like, what they paid for, like, Aji, or like the money is not worth it. It looks like they capitalized a lot. Like, yeah, so from what she said, I was like, okay.
These are the response card to Sayori. I had to fight to get in. That time I had a VIP ticket. VIP ticket, I think it was standing like 850. I don't know. General was like 450, 550. Because that was a book and
event because I hear a lot of every time you hear stories, we couldn't get in. Something like that. But usually all these big events, there's always something. I'm not strong enough for that. I complain or urenga is a struggle. Uitamini is a struggle. So I'm like, I'm not about to leave my house to go struggle, bro.
So hey, everyone was crying, man. So anyways, guys, maybe next time the way to shop or plan a
maybe.
Yeah, so maybe I should venture into
the events.
Podcast.
But I remember we had a balcony thing in mind the other time.
Yeah.
It could actually be something like that because so we could just.
No, all I need to see the plan was to get artists as vendors, Naras Diva, the best DJs, obviously, and maybe some of the up and coming ones, and then Rayange, Raskaratas Rashu. We shoot for we could shoot like 30 minutes. There's no rush, man.
Yeah.
An hour is fine now.
Yeah.
And then have an episode. The whole setup, everything.
That would be nice,
guys.
Like a brunch.
Exactly. So, guys, this time I'm showing this it and man. Hey, podcast to Masha logo tu na camera. Abadoya. When you go mbra in kana. Work going to sana sitting a go bagidimo.
What's going to say? Not in the story chamazenge.
Oh, actually, I did say, guys, we remember Archavange 66 Car Street. If you mean Umpakati, no Riaz Hotel. We should Riaz Hotel afano. Hey! So, hey, let me tell you a story. So, Ricky Shigati, there was this other lady, Zrapalati. What's called Zrapa? Oh, sorry.
So the
thing is, what was Rafala? What when I go set up business camera. So she's like, "Whoo, team ya Riaz Hotel."
Okay, here's what I want to understand. As well to like, ubomanjebel abalabatu. We nini no go do sengisiwa. Ni do tamba ningo vazo wetu na dzula pa ningo do senga pala. Ningo. Oh, then go see there. I'm not gonna come.
I think that the new cleaners in Alam.
And that's what Diana Ponzo.
Abalabasmo dear,
Babasina. Boy Zamo, Melcom neighbor,
so the return hotel as soon. I wonder the just kishot and direct cave.
You know, crowd is a gay lady go sengi Apala.
I know my thing.
Eliel Tangaliga didn't longer did a hotel and Funzi. Ilio Rapa. Because for a chair,
Nangangi. So I'm a zeng. Who's about to put on my zeng?
It was for it is chairs. But I get it over.
Who's my zenga? What I mean? Wom kuku pala petu.
Nichishma petu ni ngaro wa mafunga batalo tunamo mafunga.
Ndio mashavela wako
pa. Sina mshumo. Ndio ayas chituba kwa hapa. Angethi bathi kubuya. Nikuto kuzofina ndowe ini. Oh. It's like
oh, Rakamure is actually doing something. I want to go to Katavegra. I'm going to cancel in Kachichava. When Makam.
Oh, eh.
Because it's doing something. Monetize Coffee coming.
But the
yeah. Okay, I don't know if we are
going to wait a video. What Wanaka?
We am found Wanaka.
Dibone.
Really?
For real?
I've been going to cheat tender. Oh, azunga petu. Shambo wakadwa mfunzi. Anyways.
Also, mfunzi ana batu bawe, guys. Like, doesn't matter who vamini.
Yeah.
That's like, what I've noticed.
Just like narinere batu bawe, all was basa.
Inina.
Varanana bavenda basho.
Asawar mpanga nemratu.
Bavenda basho bofara.
Don't involve me.
Ni mfunzi washo la.
I just don't know mfunzi.
Orengsana chikoli. Kaje evident chingani kodana chikoli hapo.
Chikoli like how? Like in bulk?
Eh? So TikTok akuringisa chikoli murito.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
Anyways, are you watching Youngins or have you watched Youngins?
I am.
Wait, I am means ikaditamba kana.
Ikaditamba. Yopera, young.
I don't know. Yoguma episode 18. Is it 18?
Uringa wa yoguma nevala.
Nah, I don't know.
Ino yopera no the Red Ink. Were you watching Red Ink?
No. How are you?
I love youngings. I feel like it's better than Blood and Water.
Right?
Yes.
Come here.
Because you know what I think, ne?
Hey, ngorungwaya. Nanara. Hey.
No, it gives us more of a South African feel.
True.
It feels like you are a South African child. Niko riwa, you are becoming. As long as Blood and Water is no, I want another baby. I want another baby. Okay, there's always a party. One also go to a grade 10 or again, and then like, bro, that thing is unrealistic.
Yeah, Blood
Next
and Water
thing,
doesn't make sense.
Bro, bakos go investigators so snam shumo guys. Nikoli wana young insini like.
Zifano reka Blood and Water. This is in 4 years, you know. I think there were 2 episodes. Number the nature. I'm like, I want to know. What was your storyline? It's Elite.
Atingo ibona mara iko bora.
Elite is good, bro.
So Blood and Water. And you know what hurts me the most? It's the fact that they have the best quality. Like everything is amazing there. Just for them to fuck up the story.
Not about Thomas Wabu. Maybe sometimes. If Milan Theory a good dancer knows when to leave the stage.
But I think season 2. You see, I think let's give youngins a chance here. Season 2 as well, Ribone. Same way with adulting. Mara adulting abeba to flop in back season 2. So let's wait for 3. You know the casting director wa youngins into adulting. Hence
into Patichedo.
No, casting director like woto the cast.
Yeah.
Wonanga batu actor. So
Nersanangwiwo.
Nia audition ana. Aben kodana kukunyirwa yana I've got the act. It doesn't work like that.
Damn.
Yeah, plus Shishushuru is like far. So that's where you stay.
It's fine.
Hey, whatever. But I'm just saying, Urola Mzana, she's like really good. One any characters, I think like class in Ilopenga. But all the characters are good. I love Kaya as well. I love the gay guy as well. Both of them.
Oh yeah, the guy Uruayan.
Bro, like the
what are you getting from that
proper.
cast? What are you getting from that cast? You know, like one thing that you relate to. You know, maybe from relatives or you yourself.
It's the fact that okay, because it's high school, adulting. It's the fact that when we all come together or like form a friend group at school, we both come from like different environments, different families. But at the end of the day, Richida, like anyway, things must happen. We need to have fun. It's at school. So Rotary fun that kid uko share a room na mutu ane, she lost her mom. But you wouldn't know. Like we're at school, we're in the same environment, everything is the same room, same class. As long as you're passing, you're good. Yeah. You're only better if you're doing better.
It's funny how it is the cleanest Showmax ever.
Yeah.
It's clean, bro.
No, Mara Showmax is just doing good lately. That's when the cops are not Red Ink in Maroke. Red Ink can't compare to youngins, but it's also pretty well.
Comparing it to adulting, like
it was clean. Yeah.
Wait, adulting clean. No, I mean clean.
Oh, no,
like sex.
Yeah, yes. Mara
if they're talking about it, Mara still
yeah, that's clean. True. I think also back with which makes sense. So adulting in the ashu.
So the one thing I picked up, Papalanti, there are those kids when they are being abused at home, and then they will never like come out and say it to their friends up until because like the guy because I feel like that guy, he looks so perfect when Uborani is the best maybe in soccer there. And was one probably high. So now
Bangasi appreciated the fact that you're doing well
in something
because they want you to be what they want you to be. Come see, you are just a soccer player.
No, they want you to be what they wanted to be. Most of them.
And there's no barrier. That's the flaw. It's like, my boy. I'm like, you chose the easier route. Why can't I do the same? I'm like, why can't I just do the same?
Yeah.
Like, so I am worse. But you want me to do like mathematics? So yeah, I think that's what like a lot of parents do.
Yeah.
It's the look at you like look at what other kids are doing.
Compare
And whenever compare you like
and
that's just
chimwana chavafunzi bushi yachipi man.
Yeah. Mara asivana vote vafunzi.
I was about
asivana vote vafunzi. While go smile
like that was so many mazori actually vana
mburani vana vafunzi verinera jina navo chikoloni. If you remember any.
Wizinga the chumbura.
Chechika ila genge.
Wizinto echichinga chabugundo.
Hey. That's what I'm saying.
Like, there's a lot.
There's a lot.
Like, so, vanafunzi bone vane ngamvelo ti avapfi. And it's always them vane what they portray are good out there. Only their squad knows.
And you think I know why is that? I think Ningori what's this? I don't know strict, so you are more curious.
Yeah.
You want
true.
Like okay, wine cellar. When I see a bottle of wine, I'm not amazed.
Any movie.
But now I want to taste it. If I see it outside, I'm like, what? What is in that bottle? It looks nice. I'm fascinated. Can I have view one day? I don't know jive because I'm like, hey, what deep. But if I know we are not in the and then you have a curfew on some no to do the namjanga 12. And do you understand? So you get to get exposed to a lot of things ngachipinga. But then because those one another city, there were people banana there's no way you drink alcohol and you drink like this. So I'm like, I think when your parents are more strict, that's when you want to experience more. Like you want to try out stuff. Yeah. So I think that's how pastors are. They are too strict.
Do you think most of them are strict?
They are because one of your protected reputation.
They're not groomed. It's always the pastors outside. Because then come bishop yeah, so this is the guy when we raise and our rupi when like I'm like actually what mfunzi amba ningasifachere kosi angabori vitamin.
Isn't it because the pastors whenever they actually don't have time because they are busy?
But then also remember what dagadana wadi mfunzi so vakuva gruma va mfunzi
and ngaona rava vana va ku gruma ngabango vafunzi
exactly bontu imagine ngwana wachabusi. I'm just saying
chivision to aligona lidini mara ukirikini ya show lati how should I say ukugrumu Pitori
na shapi.
Okay, mara here's the thing I really just wafunzi I want to make an example Yuri. In most cases ininga honor kotiano you don't know him in a personal level, but with cousins my uncle is like the best father figure. Mara you don't know how to be a father to your own kids. Mara you're blind in Shianganda, you can be whatever. But the advice when you come at home you want to be this strict, serious man. So you can't open up, you're like in a shell. Mara okay, you need to blind, you will love your dad and whatever. And in at home you're like over. So
yeah, we ended up having a conclusion Yori. It's mostly lazore mfunzi vangasini groom because probably you don't see him some mfunzi kaidi ndi time.
Yeah.
Nje.
Oh like, yeah, that as well.
Yeah, so I'm like even we niko pa mtu.
Yeah.
Imagine rendani mwana wone madozi. Do you think achiva wapo fana rene chikoloni?
Ula mtu asinana ndava nabona rutia bala mtu totally.
Exactly. I'm like we niko cha
kuchanga. Nachiwana ndiko rwelwa zonyeza ene asa tubya zonyezo vacha tomoje na chikolo. And I'm so just like I'm sure ubodo basezuru abakurumini.
Kosi anga
masko ngamini bona. Nabone ndo twaona kuzonyeza ale pari kotsazu. Abonya ngovudzane.
Do you think the teachers vane ripa bana? So do you think Zione out there venda?
Zione.
Uko pasa
and the kabo banga dopfonga ndu rape zvinongoti umbura nuri vadededzi vazvinondi vatuku futi. To them it's just like I got myself a junior burger. She's young and like what vakupfana vana vatuku, you know, so I'm sure it happens a lot. No la bekaya nginzi ningono ratu wa muhulu is probably in his 30s. Yechila chana azila zvana zvina 17, so that's happening.
Zvifani ori okay, it's not funny Maria. I feel like it's best ori I can ditch you nina 25 nina 40, it's fine. But then rather subtract 10 carrot ndikosana kugana 30 inasana na 15. Now it's wrong.
Yeah.
Like
no mara ndivandikadiva underage. That's where the problem comes in because at that time I can't make decisions. I don't know what I'm doing. You are the one that knows what you're doing.
But I feel like still at 20 I'll judge you,
Ningasinjudge
not 2018 probably 19.
In na 30.
I'm like
depending beuni was slow cuz in na 30 jamburu mumbura nuka 26. So what are you going to tell me? Was slow. You guys are slower. No, men are slower. Let's be honest.
Okay, marriage makes sense because
no, let's be honest. Like I can literally sit down with a 40-year-old man and challenge him mentally. Because you guys grow up so slow. That is when each one na ziklabuni una mtu anakadibana 40 anakotaka era uvula champagne ya splash. You are such a baby.
Na skin jean.
Cha white. Na Gucci bag iso. Na bucket and you're like okay, how old are you? Like, when do you want to sit at home and watch TV? When do you watch news? When do you understand what's happening at repo rate when you are at the club? So, mara how many 40-year-old women are you going to see in a club? How many? Because we mature faster. Yeah. By then we are tired. We don't want to do any, like, we just want to relax.
Huh? What's your point? No,
that's why and you see,
remember taxi local the long distance.
Let me tell you,
simple as that.
It's reality. Chono itori inini na 40 nipho ngare ningadzira pasi nemwana wa 17 na phesesana ndimini. It's because your mind is not working the way it's supposed to.
The thing is mind nantu na the sexual pleasures that is contradict.
Okay, sexual pleasure ndikuifati idaronwamba. Chono itori nidzure 1 hour ni musedze mwana na 17 ni pheziko yera ndimini.
Abana ndaba mthobe bana kuna Gucci na mataputapu. Ngoramba wori.
No, chila skinny jean chi stressa out.
Oh my god. Banda lo penyelo no kakisa zwithu.
And la azonyezo hlashkipa
cha Fabian
and thumbu isikopira hapo and then ambarwa. Oh my god,
nisichabona na logo ya Gucci ngori thumbu yotiwa
ndobona ngopenya ura. Okay, there's something going on under that tummy.
Guys, nah man,
but no, honestly, you guys don't want to grow up.
I feel like hide you to that level no vafumakazi vataunyarwa vana menopause so nitio mara mtu mtuku awambizwa mental uri mumbura na numbulunga
azviambiwi mara zvisedzeni ndozvivona.
Yeah, that's true.
Like go around niko zvisedza like dude, and zvianengisa it's like disgusting because it's no, like for real, because I'm like, you are 45 dude, like you are 45 and at that time the community neruko expecta veuri uvo ni redzi meeting
generally
meeting what there is abafumakazi because why?
Actually,
because men are just somewhere like bora like like comes in imashoponi and then some old man looks at you ngandira yonitama and you're like because you're like no.
Yeah, how do you take that?
No, I'm gonna give you a face that yes, and there are a lot of men that do the wrong way, kind of robot or anything. So you just have to give them a look, like respect yourself.
Mara, is it true? But for construction, when determine or no naka kana no paka na mimi.
Hapana muona people are lying. Hapana watu wanibona vanta, they don't care. Watu ni bizere, bako kubona mfuma kuro, you know mfuma they just said. It's just like taxi drivers and all these people, like they don't care. Ni do compliment you hapala uwa but jia tuzanguru na watu vaneva buzo fivo naka in a month.
Exactly, yeah.
Saveon is a jolly like.
Hey, speaking of Showmax, are you watching Tabo Besta's documentary?
I did.
How is it? Don't forget you find the clip that TikTok.
Yeah, they messed up, eh?
Oh, nice. They tend to see it at home.
No, I bet the mara ikomborore aingi yasenzo miwa where they are like bringing in new stuff.
Wait, yasenzo miwa it's out there. Damn, tutu ibon.
What do you mean? I not 3
years.
Wait,
so ego shitwa.
Get 3.
Okay, uko shitwa orkoto dantu. Wachi wana uko
no, what did this about this and a sister na brother ya nandipa adamba uriya. I know this guy oda anyi. I remember when they met yada. But my problem is how abebo bayana nazi clip zabo soul.
Yeah,
why are you putting
ndaibona ka TikTok ichiko advertise or there's that thing ya soul.
Na wala mudzana wa TikTok oshumisa swa video zawe nji and hango badeli.
Ako mwambene. Ni
hango badeli hango ambwa naye like.
Why can't people sue these people?
Abako diyo basu okay mara ngandani osu ati. How is it a documentary if I'm going to take clips of everything that's in the public and put them together?
Exactly.
I am not discovering anything. I didn't bring anything new. I basically took clips of everything you guys have seen. That's what they did. Auna information into in an same story, bra. Like you come to YouTube. I'm telling you, because everything they put out there is your own.
So monetize mara Showmax those two.
Showmax na yitong, I don't know if it's just easy to go in there, bruh.
Mtu kaide yumwe app ya Queen.
Mara Queen ukadvana moja lavini.
Alikuwa vile kama kamuna. Wao wako shoot hapo zwi.
Abantu dabadiyambele but still. Aribo opiums.
Wengani uthini ngamu.
Ribopa mtu le uvali richopa mtu.
Naropi mtu.
Naropi na mtu mti guys arini shavi.
Na bontu aribo opi. Pane birthday.
Mashallah.
Oh, yeah, birthday mashallah. Damn, I'm not confused.
Ngarindia nyini.
Ndiko ndia box. Ndiko zifa.
Yeah, itonga patia box. Ndiko ria itonga patia box.
No, I'm just saying, Tinya kama mashallah. Mizo, alikonfirma za Michael Jackson number.
Mizo waone patia mashallah.
Wait, kanunandwa.
Nani shafezes. Oba ndumbona ne. Tumbo.
Pala ko perfume gaya masiko. Ndisina Sundays pala.
Ai.
Damn.
Patia mashallah ya news cafe.
Tunapala patia yana bona. Kuna no differentiate Snap Sunday na Petra blind. Chokuresa. Unachofana stage china banacho zino.
Ati unachofana man. I haven't been there in a while. Are you going to go to the Easter one?
No.
Oh yeah, and the video clock ya Sunday you cancel. What did you see?
On Sunday post akore ndabantu ko story. No cancel iko weird. Already 7th April ido shuti ido ita food. Mara now me kushini sika the bus Keros birthday na. Kana
the 7th April. Are we to month end?
Timara tuna postpone ni at the end of ndamira pala na pala. Mara I feel like obvious office Keros birthday.
Ibe cha birthday. Auna mtu ana birthday 2 months.
Yengore yabo.
Urdoana mungo wa April. Mungo wa April andi emere umpangi.
Na yengore doana mwana wantu wa Millicent.
Mwana wanyi? Steps ani cha Millicent.
Kuzifa guys.
Even na.
Okay, that was dark. Rdo mute.
Ariko mute jeto. Ini mtu akuma.
Mara tu fitisha April cha chingwana.
You are so bad.
Dude. 1 in April.
Ini anu ndia inebo yopira.
Ne January. Intonga inga duvoyo baone. Can't. Udo na blackout ngamachi. Ngamachi wabona nya. Wabona nya.
Ngamachi yopira.
Ne tune blackout yo. Kambore next year.
Oh.
So damn.
Ene andi ari.
Mkona.
Mkona ndo afiro ni ngwanda. Ndiko yumbura.
Tamur ko valesa antu ngai.
Ndiko yumbura mkona.
Why nko yumbura?
Tinotanga na ingo branga gift.
Baba. Arofuka.
Ana zeseli adua.
No niko rombo. What do you mean? If I this is lazo okay we be birthday.
Ina expect mbona.
Yeah, like
ndo tulana na hivi. Ina koshona. Why be ni chizishone ro rengera zitu guys rengere.
No, like ini ni barabara. Like nako chaba so. Nako chaba. Yesu nazo kiti asin. Ndo sorenga.
Ini ni ngambululi zitu. Ini ngona kumra nje mbona ndiko zitu. Ini ngona relax samta. Azuna ni mani kuzo bring up goda huko.
Sana fa ndi kamba ngantu. Ngamina ngazoma brass na mimi. Ndizo go hui nazo come
guys,
on man.
Hana brass, I'm creating it again. Hana brass.
Oh, not the agricultural economics. Economist.
Oh, Jesus. Inola mtu wabone zitu dozifuru kwambiwa.
Ati obuzofu do ambiwa. Ati tomofana nini?
Ani
ngori bothambe bomubuza. Ufini ngoso kupfana na isu tubadoni ambaka podcast.
As bontambe.
Okay, we Rambau, it's fine man.
But anyways, atingamwambi
Tukwaka next week ndi study. Uko dona the marriage body out there. Like what's your take on forced marriage?
Forced.
Ilazi nafi. Ndina waphange umuntu out there atento. Kanela zori.
Ndipfonga ka rumeli. Upere ko belo dinangera.
Hani yani.
Miyanu ini ndatosikaenda twana miyanga boto mbechera mutu duka labudi.
Do you think there was
Afika dilemma.
Do you think there's ever love there? Unkana you develop eventually.
Na zwina uchena mseskufana.
Damn. My relation
na zwino iko last 1 year 2 years ubvapo ibe icheo. Mutu atomodzira kawashi kusvikira the following day. Ini ngadzira kawashi ngajuno.
Hedzi viklas dzinaradzibona kawashi.
Ningastanzwe gure every day. Let's be honest.
Viklas.
Kana uchitofimi ndimakwana panaona buse. Why you at the kawashi every day?
Jambori kawashi antu.
It's giving forced marriage.
Kuroshita ino soul. Kuroshita ino soul kawashi.
Rikorobaira gore. Viklas yodaruka namzi. Check. But I'm just saying or like it wouldn't be a bad idea because right now I feel like my parents know my type by now. I don't think mangandisira mtu ane I wouldn't fall for. What's your type?
What do you mean they know your type? What's your type?
Good Friday.
What's your type? Nichiri they know your type.
Dark.
Typing comes in physical appearance.
Na zwezwi zvinwe vazvo. Na zwezwi.
Zvimwe zvomi. Wewe zviva zikabit. Joke guy masiko. Noramba.
Ngita mahuva ri guys. I'm just saying. Mara mi anga vaidhiva type yanga.
Type chele dindi.
Ini yando ndimeni.
Type yanga.
Are ichirede type. Zvamburi na ini nchiri ngoda mtu wa cleanliness ndi type.
So ndithushti. Mtu kana una mtu wa cleanliness wonakawo.
Mtu kanake mngani.
Mtu kanake first face card.
Zvila zvithu zvori nichimweni ku explain uri mukona ujena vets ti
imagine.
Nichisvika naye majita ni vachiri minara okono
ujena vets
mamu nabo do vantu
ndi engineer
ndi engineer
never kawato ibona chona motivation ni cover letter so like
amadzidzo
so ndindi chikipa ndoskana chikuba hata chitukubwa
ngano chifi ambara na chifi femen
mashaka chikuzuzela vachavela vakona
avabudziwe chitu avachabudziwa chitu avabudziwe chitu
and then also speaking of forced marriages so now pane your sister dies, your big sister dies awako inia numaranga nga mtu wa mkomana wanu. What's your take on that?
For me that
because fish yaite bad
yaite nemati bondishidokona because I didn't know vyanda nibona sa swara some like I don't think I'll ever see you going when they like isn't that weird?
Cause ndani kubzwa mutu ti zvifanire ndona imwe tika TikTok uchifi the moment in the story I had something ndivandozobona ka TikTok like so this friend of mine was saying what blah blah so yesu ndivandozobona ka TikTok anondozvya mbao so this other girl akombo nah man ndoenda roveliwa so avakufika ndiyo mali wange I'm like damn nisongo yamara
zvomurasa mbuni ngoraro ende kanje bimrotna mkomana vafani ende chonitori ninange hola usually mrotna mkomana how different
ngamanda kama twins niwane una 1 2 nawa
ende are uma twins mumwe wapenga mu right mumwe akona
anopenga ndio nakawo
unopenga ndio nakawo ti
owipawo angani 100 kametse na sai
ava chibumba nyana usually
so mudzimu va creator
mudzimu ita shuka ma twins netipesa sori are vasofunoita ma twins kama rolisha kuri avatu vava si ma twins it's like so why are avatu ma twins usually something is off so yeah no I don't think I would marry my sisters I wouldn't
people do man
ini ningamujia mratu wa mkona if mkona was to pass away
ana mratu
let's already anai
zisoro vakazi looks na mi ati oroba baby anga wana problem udana problem
oroba
no imagine
anga wana problem oroba what are you saying
mratu wanu ti uko bayiro ngwana munna ini na roba uzunotesara chibayiro futi
ningamupukela usikela chitomutala I'm telling you today not with my man child not with my man
Richard Chabidani rothe
ndingalidzinginisa nogwada mandari ndalishayikisa never it's not happening
ndari baby ndodana baby afa namuzori ya
ningari nchiri baby ndari napindura nonela video
why nichishava noyori noyamba namunhu achipindura nashava then like what's the point ini kwamburi asipindure
mara zvikuveke zvino zvarari kwamba last week uri ini navona mutu orova wawana nichichira naye ningashavani
all the time
ndingashavi mana yazongotobvelavo uchitovana svisvi kadenga masiyana rorelaxa
lavonana yo riviri wife mini muswalo chimira kufunga to chako pa rupfumo uri nawe utofira upfumo
mana wanaisa dini ndikoiji
ndaikocheka nditi ndichikada ziprep I'm like ndinotona ndidzoperera dhori ndiite prep yayo zvinezvi and then I came across an Ethiopian calendar.
Okay.
It's not the same as ours. Angeri 16 zino. Yeah. Ethiopia 2016. 2017. Yeah.
Guys, so wait, it's a thing. It's real.
Jambo kurengisa ngubo za 2017. That 2012 probably. Some cool mama. Cause so yes, some facts.
Guys, no, what do you mean? I'm confused. What do you mean the 2017?
No, listen to these facts. Maybe you'll understand. The year starts on the 11th of September. First red flag, Yashango.
Okay.
And then they have 13 months in a year.
Very why? But you
tinguvo ziya ngoma so imagine kumaguvo aserejoma ngasama
zvino chimwe chichihumira yani zvino chikusvika chawana u2017
chawana 2024 na muzika no here's the thing
chichilenda guys are you talking about Ethiopia
ticket ya bus ingolofi depart 2024 arrive
2017 guys
now that you say
anyway divando kuyenda nyango shumisa Ethiopian Airways ndiko travel uri ndingo and connecting nditiyosvika ndatuma ndambona ndasvika ndaima Ethiopia ndawana u2016
another one time traveler
so cool. Guys, no. So how cool. Didn't I know this all my life?
I also didn't. I only found out like two days back. I'm like, what?
No way.
Isn't because we yes.
Look at you on a Ethiopia interview.
I was that vendor. Me, my friend.
Hi, ngange blog jia alicheo. Hauna lingwa
mtali. Ethiopia bone.
Hauna. Speaking of Ethiopians, how do we jio mama gula? Ndi minga beo.
End of into. Ndi mfuma kazo koja na mwana.
Apparently. Na mwana ndozibona. Guys, Maradi, did you see the video, guys? Like, vendor you never saw. Is this what we've become? Like, are we?
Maradi wrote kunyago is a jobek vendor, so they took everything. Oh, why when you get the good?
Guys, part? Mara, that was so gangster for vendor. It's just looking at it. I'm like, is this what? I've been doing masiari, and I'm like, jambur nande dingaskura ndiko pira ndabona skoitia. That's trauma.
At least I'm not get it. Hawala bolenga ba get in. Somebody nendi vakomboni namkona ngora una get ini somebody nitosa namna gimira ndoni vachida nashavakaza murao
atikadera 5 yo atikena ni i5 okay mara ariva ngubanjia jaratani ya zwiwese kuti vanganjia nomsidi jaratani
no I feel like hawala
ngora una get
because zenda ari kuti
baba ni diva ndredo panga get la big 5 in the probably
la zindao la jira
ndo ngani kwa jena lodge ndo ngani kwa jena lodge
ali korera la libiza
mara
that was so sad bro
it's disturbing uri like and archazvimangara do you understand uri ashkomangadza the flop is ashkomangadza ndiyo netaidza because robvakadzi heist dzanga machero dzanga masiyari dzabaki rabvaka like we've just been seeing all these things and it's like wow is this vendor now car hijacking
zvifanuri vakotageta magura because they know they have money and all this so vokonyangwadzira musoro
chamburi yoraro ndi double ari vakodda 3 vakodda 6 zvinhu ndi vatu vavi
6 million apparently vajadzi 10
vajemge
10 million vadiri kunyanga 30 million from tumti zvambori koja zvinori kutorenga marabinga vunji
last time uchiwaniwa chigwena ende zvambori vatu mara vatu vanokochatanga ntuva yavarenga ti
obsolete kaident kairenga marabishipaninge
ai man ini swazi joke man karijo joke
no ndikotoambo oh damn
aperi kwa manga vatu jiwo zvakavane aridizvo vadovuyana you get it
na pray they come back man
fivaveiwa ufinaisa chede so anachaveiwa votsvinga nasikovhuwani tsvinga
hey nofumini vavuwa tsvinga
like are chelede yada they'll go drop you off somewhere nachimwe chigura chicheveche chilo chirowaniwa chachowaniwa chikaheadbodo mara usina mbete chikweza chila chozinaso chachondovandabula chonova muti nduni
chazoheadbodo usina mbete
nondovona chikukudhira headboard kaitiko chinepe
yes
and then yeah but then last time babu wanonga mapurisi kana vatodhitodhera because maguru vayadhitodhera like they go in I know vakodotoma zvotangana vachistrika
imagine vati varo vacombine and then they form this thing vabhadhira vatu vavouraya
yes and they can do it because they can afford to do that
that's the thing problem if ati kunyangobvisa 30 million yori mwana auye udobhera mini bvisa 1 million yori kauyouraya chika yononiyojo mwananga because there's a camera you don't know how but maybe
matter one thing about CCTV bra it will show you at least yosumbedza car registration of which it doesn't really matter because zvitobva zvaungoshumisa yone but then kopeni haungabvuya obva kantu kaCCTV
ndivolvo guru yaone guys in case udorotevera ne
but guys like it's insane man nendochuwa uramba boko sazvinena come and then ngori ndisongochongora kushana get kuti yochuwa ne
no mara feel like okay ndisongori ni safe because you black mara
ngori hauna cherede
utakitsizwa magura natu vane vavana cherede
no nori nevanje vakudowana kugai kanyi
because nenango vari 100,000 nyango
tsukundi abangawani chitu
utawani mubvisa ayoshuma
and tivoni abe kidnapping yorala itoyova involve vatu vanji vangasiita ya 20,000 because it's like okay zvemburi kuwana bugai abo bethu.
And una mastermind also. I'm sure.
Ukadivana munne wa goloi, ukadivana mutu wa vakotevera uamboro okay vagai zvino.
No change your number plate.
Now change your number plate. Na munne wa number plate.
Guys, just be cautious because no so hala to abudimanda vachinga mwana kopaka something butin. So if
but I guess you can never mara ningasibe cautious enough. Like
no,
how you
Mara, now that you know this at least you can prevent it.
Jambo bright so much to butuni read some. Ziyadere goloi.
Ela to bavanda remember.
Ndedzula ndinda like you said down get and it's
ndikambira ayini bondi
timara zviwa zviroedera goloi zviwa zviroedera goloi kararo inshallah because the problem is the groceries matonga chacho kujia bag yachikoro chikwena ngorofi chachikobva chikoroni chakubvujiwa chikoroni mara nivona kuri yava kuchimira ngayo urianity
Volvo
yavala vamwe you can see the small car and I'm like have you seen how Indians have so much money mara they don't drive the cars we drive. They're like very are they good with money or they are stingy? Mulwane. What is going to ambla basi kana amba later
ba construction
yeretela ndivone vona organizer vizenge lidzirafa
ndivo pata mazenge ndi assembler
and zvangalita
ninyi ningamaro kusutunga 7 ini. Exactly.
So then you
so yeah guys
but yeah
hopefully for the one and about the children but always vawana because those guys are just after money.
I just pray they get to the root of this vawana because because anything can happen now. Okay, now bashuru kusukwamba now vasito the roads ransom. What if our traffic or in like we're not safe?
Kids play in the streets. Anyone can just be taken for the trafficking.
Oh, bruh, it's hectic.
No, anyways, it's fine. No, what's this girl's name? Ufinya bongana bomkuba. Makhadzi.
Ndo sendelo mnyanya woni ndo samdibi zvokuita mean.
I started seeing it last year, which could was lobola na mean. It was the wedding was like perfect, man.
Ndo bona video ndabandisa kufisa why ndikuisendeliyo because I don't know who this person is.
Yes, kai chibukana kantu.
Ndo sendelo ka WhatsApp mara
yeah, you should watch it. It was clean, man. Like, pala vitu. Goma shabela. Watu wako makuwako foda panda kuta zutu. Wabona mnyanyone. Watu wasenda link wabona.
Wabiwe na biwe udoba perfect.
Wabonye.
Wabiwe.
Yeah, to those on daro do chinga masina. Ufi mami Makhadzi. No. So I'm like one thing chendas funa palanti theme nera zaru kwamba ngai. Black. Watu wafi black, wambara black. House number grey.
Kana mngonori net na black and dambara navy blues yayiran.
So like simple stuff. How
do you feel about like invites like nipfongari Ndivhuwo Rambau to the let's say you're getting married in December zvino niko thoma ngoramba like what type of people who are we looking at how many people are we looking at
for mine?
Yeah,
I was thinking 100 at some point. But then I can stretch it to 150.
Niwanono but dende ni zvino ndilinyanyelo.
No,
maybe
like,
150 it's a huge wedding.
No
baka intimacy.
No, like yeah, okay, ngore 100 right 100 yapeda bukum and there abe una
abana overflow.
And abe abana overflow awuchato bamnyanya out of me man.
Like, I guess.
Abale betana 200 iti mara ningasizvibone because of how everything was put.
Yeah, 200.
Like, there's order na mean.
Yeah, 200 yola mzana.
Ura about 200.
Oh, then already 200 is control here then.
Yeah, so and chimwe chinenda avoid enda nyango chavoid mnyanyani ndi vana man.
Yeah. Hey, and then ndobona mumtu akori it was on TikTok where some girl was like mungani wanga ongwatera ngori I was supposed to be a bridesmaid or whatever and then zvichivoya invite ichivobva ti utomongo prepare invite idzibva rine rono tomo prepare vanokochatisa and then she was like she doesn't want kids at her wedding and then she got mad because I couldn't come and I'm like it's both ways because if you had something important like a funeral, you wouldn't take your kid to a funeral. You would have made a plan.
Exactly.
But now you're trying to be petty because I'm saying I don't want kids at my wedding. That is a bit unfair.
And then netonyanga vana kawanga.
Muna vatu varina vana vafuna uri to refile bed. Kana mtu akwatero ri. Why are we not going to a child-friendly place? Like, kanari because we are friends and you have a child. Richi vakari to a child-friendly. Let's be honest. if I don't have a child and I want to go out, I want to rest. Right? I don't unless you invite me to a play date, Yavana. But if we are planning a girls thing, now I'm gonna bring a kid, let's go to a kid's friend. Unless necessary comes to Antiboni disappointer or something. But can we stop forcing kids on people? Like, it's not cute. Hey. Like, I don't know, guys. It's
treasure
treasure, like you said. The apple of my eye. It's your eye, not our eyes. We don't hate kids, but can we not force kids on other people?
Down the aisle.
And as one discipline kana sokochema vokati ya video.
Hey,
and obviously oyo mwana ngado yana murungisera sutu mwana wanarana 1 year ukododa ambara green and white. Those are my pictures and that's my wedding forever.
And then also speaking of this zvavana remember just when chwana mbori ndizani kukadza chila chiratu changa ngori mini that all amuti in as much as happy na minute like ukadzela nendo zvibonanga nenda ndisapfiswa kumi and I feel like if ndandoichiwa I would have been worse not ndichimwe chito tingodona hey like I feel like no vanhu vanji vadzindaye ngwanera wona uchifi no ndo ndanya kukaidza vana vava vatu nafi ini tsongoita so
ukaidza azvi wrong mngani ini zvine naita asuka ini ngori you see yourself in him you do it over wala mwana orirodzura rikoula avakamse draw akomwara something katafreni ini kuita nivo and I'm like ini mukaidzira susina mushumo
no asi yezo
wala mtu ubazi kuita chitu
so eva don't do it kana vatu ungasiri wapfosvika
Maro ana crash.
Ufimila wena anodana yabe. Wena kolana. Magobe.
Magoma mra.
Magoma anachidza. Amudiro uzopupa. Kabisa diri wapo mbona kafoni mia kaichubu.
Mara somehow you are right. Una vana bono anoya hey. Na vana vasina mulayo.
Tenda no chila man. Una vatu. Tunawala mtu abafi mara barui.
Mara
and ndichidola. And this is I feel like that's why in this song.
Mara isi ne uso ndikobona wana ndiva ndikobona uri disciplined because achivi chikuita zvono mangadza. Ndito mangana ne watu vachidashwe chiri my little
until chikwa chifona chari kurobatu.
One of the thing is any anizviboni ngori ndiwa hano and you want the best for him.
And also you guys don't see this.
We once had a helper. Okay, no, I think it's the same person. But the kids are clean. In my head I'm like, I'm always fighting these boys to do stuff. What do you mean they're clean? Because any honor wears. Do you understand? So we are just fighting for them to be better every day. But they're actually doing well, man. I think we need to give them credit. No, and what that mumwe
jombetedza TV kazi mimi
kana mwana onosvika mudhini agonya ave mnenye tasofa guys teach your kids better. You can't do that. Ngazvienda niwane jobe and I'm just like yo ndidochitani and kana oda namiona miyo vamusedza vava unosina problem basi mukaize zvamburi it's okay niyativa busela venda ini
ranibze chistory ti okay ndisamotori
nisipfuri ndinye
no vatu vane vasipfuso ndikwamba mwana wavo so here's the thing ti ila chingwana church kodibonera okay church kona chevilingana church kona chevilingana ti then wapfa amadiri no man nende kunya kushimisa phone kama nipe mwana chevilingana ave akovona ka phone yami ndari no khade rikobona black couch udo tantu amuthu asutori chevilingana wa kuchipfesesa na mina chimwe chinokotamba wachipfesesa so nantu khade rone black couch na me simple as that abakofuna walila mini nakujokela kwa ndakubadza of the right there nandoita phone so not the gunman kwatitobona black couch yapera simple as that.
So sometimes baby the problem you know and about balwana I once had a friend wala mtu achitefa nyadibotefa. I remember she invited me to come chill with her and the boyfriend. And then oba una vamwe vangana va boyfriend yao. Emuna out of nowhere. Ndichimwa chamsi uri ningobona TV for you to watch music. It was Channel O, Trace, MTV, whatever.
Yeah, MTV base.
That girl at that change her. I think Isaka reality. Because it's a Saturday we are chilling ukunuiwa it's vibes. At that change and then kunya kubona mini. And I go show na ngondi ndemgana oti. Ndakubona ngandi joke ukoto actor. I looked at her and she literally did it.
Our audition penyana. Even kwamba.
Oh, sorry. What's random? Okay.
Yeah, random picture. What's your
take
up left? Okay,
but I'm just saying uri vatu valuwa nazvo mwana ane angodowera udzi hai and ndazviona nakafriendship ndizvo zvoririsawo because she wouldn't like she can't take a no. I'm telling you to a point ine ndachikonori ndoposta. Okay, you know Magoma has been my best friend for years. Ndoposta chinepichanga na Magoma afonari. Why are you only posting a picture like that? Why are you posti chamuseri vararu? That's when I knew this thing is in the head. So mara atimu blame. Hayani zvemboro ova kuwana chimwe na chimwe, you know. She's not used to hearing no. Hatu do exclude. She's like the center of attention all the time.
Asingo exclude the vet.
Ende angozama na zvezvo zvavo vetse so na vetse angozama so
hey man zvinebula zvavo fusa kufodwa tava ndikuda lazvinepezva afiri yaposwa kati Facebook ivelafti
okay namseresa kupostiwa why nikomfoda ndikuda nsandinde ndasvika
cause nido hana that's the problem
okay zvemburi ndahana I don't want a picture maruna vamwe vane vazviumbiro sendira vazviposta zvomuziva kuda because I don't want a picture of me coming hey. Oh no.
Oh damn. But then anyways, I'll continue. Okay, we're not swinging.
My baby will go disowned at this rate. But I'm just saying, or no. Ini nacho.
Zvantuni.
Maybe we end up for doing Rose Bank. We end up for doing Rose Bank.
Ndabona zona na new town apa zona baone.
And
everywhere is just cameras. But we go for studios or mashaka.
And then ndisendo thendi na muthu endola muthu achikochifunesa. Achichipost every time chikadisarira.
Asione mauti rongo achifuna rimwe chinepe chilo.
What do you mean asione?
Mauti ane hakoteo vaka opposition.
Irari rote kechi.
Ndikotamba ani inani kumufila.
Ndikomufila uri chinepe ndasikuchifeseza uri waindi kuti yofodwa ndikuda. Ndikuda zvakuba like.
So hey man guys, we've been shooting a lot and then vatu vakona generation zvinhu.
Ew, people still watch that.
Oh, also tindanyangori nga finger me.
Like,
oh, sorry. T graduation season is coming. I mean T. So.
Hey, no, I'm some vendor. Graduation.
Oh, you mean graduation?
Gradually, like it's like.
So like yeah, with graduation coming, upcoming now,
upcoming, yeah.
Yeah, so I thought it would be much better next week. I think as a career choice.
Yes.
These other guys who are coming now, we do this and this. So like, you're prepared for.
That would be nice. I would love
also for me, when I go to my plans, go to matches. And then ndo search to September won't apply. Na no jiwa kantu. Ka sports management.
Kana hospitality agopfunga nini.
Ago nyako rethawa.
Eish.
So that's so guys anyway.
Yo and it's on like but like are we gonna get people to talk about it or are they gonna
I don't know, we can just talk man like at the day.
Ngori una nje I've heard ne amprondo ita BSc ya life science. Mumuntu abakumbuzo riyo.
No, did it, that's fine.
I didn't know. To me, I felt like I got a Bachelor of Science and you call a scientist. Matina I was like, oh.
And then so yeah, and then speaking of graduation also, what mashabela barbadia sunebeza graduation. Graduation. Hey, the graduation. So guys, if you wanna be short, if you want to this one, if you want to be short.
If you want to shoot. If you want to shoot.
Yeah, if you want to shoot your graduation from wherever you are, but don't have to. Abana go your company. Yeah, white. Never sare mrao.
Never afford dashing badi.
Yeah.
Ndio yanga bachingitela a birthday shoot. Yezila zine bathu baboita kuti zvinepe zva dropa nga birthday yanu.
So yeah, balenza up. Number 4 nono manadzo. Funa plus to send off the dzipuwa. Asunonyo ribasa uri mrao na vana. Risa risina mtu wa studio.
Ufimini?
Fiwa chimera guri ya white.
Ubutswanyi.
Na kama number 4 nzabo nende ndizijambe first. Kai phone wazi. Oh. So number 4 is 08 rand izimwala ndizijambe nemu.
10-20.
Yeah, so guys, if you need a shoot here, graduation, I mean, like not only graduation, mara now.
I think I must just show like a couple of pictures here. Ne?
Yeah, but send us the graduation. That's what I mean, and I mean, oh, like nego balaba.
Na jilo got the couples shoot by it, and yeah, then I'm trying. And there's just says la sure arako jola na post ni akono bona.
Na baba post that baba na.
Na baba la.
Page yabo.
Are muno no sani post ni afford wangeno mani posted.
So yeah, I am Lens Hub ka Instagram ndo babona ninge ni check you remove not post wana na mtu wao.
You would be surprised at what they can do for your relationship, eh?
Yeah, so guys.
But so then if for the post.
So the number is 081 473 4775, right? Nzone. So yeah, guys.
I don't need someone to find a comment, bro. Okay, next week in the Sip and Paint, so we're gonna meet. Are we gonna order that or drop in with it?
No need to drop. They no drop every Friday.
Oh, no, there no shooter in
the chair. I'm the material Sip and Paint.
Oh yeah. We don't go even that.
Yeah, I think I will. I don't know. When you have been Nura Badan.
And I go even that.
One and
I go even then. Hey, anyways, guys.
So anyways, so details dot you'll find them at the Lens Hub on those 195 at the end of the video. I'm sure it's one number 2 months to every panga. So yeah, cheers guys. Bye. Keje feel us to enti ya cut. Silence.